Same, man.
If y'all get offset, then stick on me. I made that now, make you get rid of me. You don't like me, I be deep in where you.
No people have it to say that Shenseea actually made this song for Spice.
Oh, you're so nice. Oh, you're so nice. Oh, you're so nice.
Hi guys, welcome to Chairs and Benches. I'm Nayoka, and here on Chairs and Benches we give an informed perspective through entertainment. So if you're new here, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and just join our family. So in this video we'll be talking about Spice and Shenseea. They have been compared on the internet a lot lately about who is the new dancehall queen. So Chairs and Benches like for giving us straight facts and straight information. I want you guys to decide in the comment section down below who you guys think is reigning right now in dancehall in the female section. But I'm gonna give you guys an informed perspective. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna review both artists from the year of 2020 and compare all their music, so starting from January all the way back to December. So what I'm gonna be using to give you guys this information is their official YouTube channels. And here I'm gonna check the views, the numbers, the days that they published the song, and just to see which one of the artists them be more consistent, which one of the artists them they have more hits. And you guys decide down in the comment section down below which one you think was the better artist for year 2020. So in the month of January, Spice did not drop a song, but Shenseea did. She dropped the song Potential Man and she racked in 945,000 views, okay? So let's listen to the song and vibe to it a little bit.
You have everything, number one, be a thing like a potential man.
Alright guys, so for the month of February now, Spice dropped her first song for the year and it was called Rollin'. She racked in 2.9 million views, guys. So she come in, she never did a January, but she come in strong for February. So let's hear it.
Now rolling this?
Spice?
Yeah.
This thing. Alright, so in the month of February now, Shenseea come in strong as well, and she could drop a song called Trick or Treat and she got 8.1 million views. Alright, so in the month of March now, Spice dropped a song titled 02-2020 and it was like a freestyle vibe, so make we check it out. Yeah, so for the month of March, guys, Shenseea dropped her song, the Side Chick song, and she racked up 16 million views, guys. Like,
This is the original side chick song. Me open up my feelings, see ya next time.
alright guys, so in the month of April, Spice did not drop a song, and right now is when COVID really active, quarantine active, entertainment industry mash up. But Shenseea managed to still drop a song, so kudos to her. And she dropped the song Bad Habit. She racked in the views 823,000. So let's hear it. So for the month of May, Shenseea was the only artist that dropped a song in this month, and Shenseea dropped the song Wasabi and she racked in 3.8 million views. So let's hear it. Alright guys, so for the month of June, Spice did not drop a song, but Shenseea did. She dropped the song Good Comfort and she racked in 1 million views. So make we hear it now. In the month of July, Spice didn't drop a song, but Shenseea didn't either. So make we move right along. Alright guys, so in the month of August, Spice dropped a song. Yay, we miss you sis, we miss you. So she dropped a song called Inches and she got 3 million views. So you know, say our crowd, they really miss her. So make we check out the song now. You like it? Alright guys, so for the month of August, Miss Shenseea, she dropped her song called Sure and she racked in 4 million views. So this month them be pretty close. Spice have her 3 million, Shenseea have her 4 million. So I'm gonna go check out Sure. Alright, I think we get a clip from that. Alright, so for the month of September now, you know, so we're fully deep down in a quarantine. But Spice never dropped a song. Shenseea did though, and she dropped a lighter, big bad tune. This is the tune of the year for me. I'm sorry, I had to say it. But Lighter rocked in 35 million views, guys. 35 million views. This is abnormal. This is insane. She's like the top artist for the month, yeah, for sure. Man and woman. I like. Let's hear it.
Baby, when the bright lights up today, fire in your
Mad song, bad song. Mad song, bad song.
What kind of accent that? The
Corona. Alright guys, so for the month of October, none of these artists drop a video on their Viva channel. Spice come back with her song Clean, and it was 1.3 million. So make we hear it. You have to can wine fast.
You think Shenseea can dance better than Spice?
To her song, you have to hear wine. Ignore me guys, I can't dance. Alright, so for the same month of November, Shenseea dropped her song Rebel and she got 8.8 million views. So make we hear it. For the month of December, Spice dropped her song Friends. You guys don't know the whole drama surrounding that whole mess that happened in the end of 2020. And she actually racked in 932,000 views on YouTube currently. So I'm gonna hear the song when she dropped for all of the haters out there. Let's do it. After that, Shenseea dropped her song Upset and it racked in 943,000 views. So let's hear it. Upset. Let's go. No people have it to say that Shenseea actually made this song for Spice after the whole, Obia Man vibe that was going on. We don't know. But I want you guys to comment in the comment section down below. Let me know if you guys think that Shenseea can become the title of the new Queen of the Dancehall, or if Spice have it for her years of dedication to dancehall. I don't know what you guys classify or what's the requirement to gain this title. Shenseea is quite new in the business, so I don't know. A lot of people have mixed feelings about if Shenseea can take this or if Spice hold her position. Shenseea said she don't want it, but the crown has to go to somebody. Somebody has to pass on the button at some given point. So let me know in the comment section down below who you guys think. Even if you guys don't want to comment on who is the dancehall queen, at least comment on who you guys think dominated in the year 2020. 2020 was a mess though, but I want to know what you guys think down below. So like, comment, share, and subscribe if you guys want to hear more about this topic, or if you guys want me to compare any other artists or anybody else, let me know in the comment section down below. I really enjoyed this video, so if you like it, please show me some love. Share it on all your socials, tell a friend, tell your family, tell everybody you know. I love you, and I'll see you guys again with a video just like this next week. Bye. Cheers. Some look obviously more into Shenseea.
Yeah.
It's obvious.
In Canada and missing your favorite Jamaican products? No need to worry. Mama's Pantry CA is here with everything Jamaican. We stock snacks, beverages, seasonings, and much, much more. Follow us on Instagram at Mama's Pantry CA. Canada-wide shipping available. Mama's Pantry CA. Come relive Jamaica with us. Website coming soon. Mama's Pantry CA. Relive Jamaica.